This iPhone battery tip is going to make your iPhone last longer than it used to. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your settings and then you scroll down to battery and then you turn on this low power mode. And when you turn on this low power mode, your battery is going to turn yellow, and that is actually going to preserve some battery. This reduces background app refreshing, and that is really cool. So another thing you need to do is you go to accessibility right here and then you tap on display and text size and then you scroll down and then you make sure this toggle is turned on always. Next you need to do is you go to motion still in accessibility and then you make sure this toggle is also off always. Next toggle you need to turn off is in general. You scroll down to background app refresh and then you're going to see these toggles turned on. You can choose to turn this off totally, and this one is actually going to delay some notifications in some apps like WhatsApp and all that. But when you choose to put it on Wi-Fi and data, and then you can just go and then some apps you feel you don't use on it regular, you can just turn them off. And then when you enter inside of the app, that is when the app is actually going to use your data. And this one can prevent your battery from draining and also prevent your phone from being hot. Another thing you need to know too is in privacy and security, you come to location services and then you check through these apps right here. You make sure you don't turn this off totally, because when you turn it off and then Find My is off, when your phone gets missing, you're going to find yourself wanting. So let's say something like Telegram, you can choose to just put it on never because you don't want Telegram to be using your location. So you should check through and then make sure you turn some services you have granted them permission to use your locations off. So another thing you need to turn off too is within the control center. So when you're not using your Bluetooth, your AirDrop and the Wi-Fi, you can turn them off to preserve some battery for you. I hope this is going to be very helpful. So